Hey, what is up everyone? How are you doing? Got a little scratch today. Banged myself on a cupboard door. So I look like Harry Potter today. Late last week I was offered something, and this is a prime example of being offered something really obscure, something really strange. And sometimes companies can offer you what I call a component or part, or basically something that is used to make something with. So you can get offered surplus stocks of just like something that's used to make something with, basically. It's not a finished product. It's not a finished retail product. So last week I was offered this. What is this? I just got the sample today. It's elastic. And if you look close up, but you can't really see it, but it's exactly the same as the face masks, the disposable face masks that you wear, you know, the elastic that you put around your ear. It's basically that. And so, yeah, there's companies that are, you know, making that particular product. So a company in Belgium emailed me and offered me a truckload of elastic, literally a truckload of this elastic. So who is going to buy that? Obviously, people who actually make a product that they need this specific material or component to finish their product with. So if a company is making face masks, for example, they would buy in this elastic to put round, you know, to make the face mask with. And so this is a part, component or material used to make a face mask with, or it might be used to make other products with as well. But at the moment, obviously, companies are using a lot of this product to make face masks with. Now, the company that's offered it to me, obviously, it was an overstock or surplus stock, and they've got a truckload of it. So what I did was, I didn't really know who to offer this to. So I just basically put a post on LinkedIn. I put a post on LinkedIn saying, I've got a truckload of this. Please message me if you've got any interest. And I got a message in my LinkedIn from a UK company who said, yes, we could be interested. What's the price? And gave them the price. They said, can we check a sample, because there's different qualities. So obviously I've had to get a sample from Belgium. It arrived today. The samples arrived, and I'm going to post this today to this company in the UK. See if we can make a deal on this stock. So basically it's a truckload of elastic that's used to make face masks. You know, the ear loops. This is the ear loop material. It's a thin elastic used on disposable face masks. I've got a truckload of it that's been offered to me. I'm going to post this sample today to this company in the UK. Let's see. I will keep you updated. And all I'm doing, guys, like I've explained before, is I'm just planting the seed. I'm just planting the seed. I'm basically putting it out there, the offer. And, you know, I've got some interest from a company. What do? Oh, I do what they want me to do. They want a sample. So I've just basically said, right, I'll get a sample for you. Got a sample. I'm going to post it today. And I'll keep you updated what happens when they get back to me, when they've seen the sample. Hopefully, they will be interested and they will propose maybe an offer price, or maybe, you know, they'll propose a deal to take the stock. And who knows? Who knows? It could be a first for me. I've never bought and sold some elastic before. Never done that. But at the moment, it's obviously something in demand because it's used to make disposable face masks with. So it is an in-demand component that's used in manufacturing. So if someone can buy that cheaper than the normal factory price, obviously a factory has made this initially. If we can do a deal under the factory price, then, you know, my buyer's got a good deal, and hopefully, you know, there'll be some profit in the deal, some decent profit in the deal. So I'll keep you updated on a truckload of elastic. I'll catch up with you later on, guys. Take care.